how to fix Snapchat not letting you add friends. So if you want to fix Snapchat not letting you to add friends, so let's get started. First of all, open your Snapchat and make sure that you've connected to the internet. Now you need to check if you've reached the friend limit. Snapchat has a limit of around 6,000 friends, so if you're close to that, you may not be able to add more. If not, the issue could be fixed with the person you're trying to add. They may have blocked you or changed their privacy settings to stop random ads. Now try clearing the cache. Tap on your Bitmoji or your profile in the top left, and then you need to tap on the gear-shaped icon, which will be in the top right, and it will take you to the settings. After that, you need to scroll down, and then under your privacy controls, you need to tap on clear data. It will be under your app and privacy. Tap on my privacy and data, and here you will have clear data option or clear cache option. Tap on it and then go with continue. And then confirm it by tapping on clear once again. Next, make sure that your Snapchat app is up to date. To do that, you need to go with your App Store or your Google Play Store. So search for Play Store, and then you will find the Play Store right here. You need to go with search, and here you need to search for Snapchat. After searching for Snapchat, you will find the Snapchat application right here. If you have any updates on your Snapchat, just simply go and update it. And once it's up to date, you need to just refresh your device or your application, and it will fix your problem. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.